Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to fix Notes app missing toolbar, camera, scan, font on iPhone. If you are using Notes app on your iPhone and your toolbar is missing, so what you have to do? So let's solve this problem. You have to open your Notes app and then tab on Notes, and here you have an alert option, tab on it, and here if your toolbar is missing like this, you just have to tap on this add icon to open your toolbar. Just tap on it, and if you want to get camera access or your Notes apps, you just have to follow some other steps. Open your phone settings, and here just scroll down and look for apps. Here's that, tap on it. In apps, you have to look for Notes. Here's that, open it. After opening the Notes, you have to enable a setting which is on my iPhone account. You just have to tap on it to enable the settings. After enabling the setting, you have to go to Notes app again, and here tap on add icon, and here you have to tap on this clip icon, and here you will get the option of scan documents or take photo or video, and now you can easily use camera or scan option on your Notes app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.